This was one of the main moments of celebration in the entire process. This is where we got to flip the switch from construction, demo, deal with the grossness, into let's rebuild it and put in our final things. We had queued up in the garage all of the kitchen cabinets, the flooring, the sinks and vanities, the lights. Everything was just waiting for us to be to this spot so then we could actually install them. Up until this point were some of the most stressful days, meaning that we were dealing with the troubleshooting, opening things up and making bigger messes, it felt like, that then needed to be repaired and fixed. Troubleshooting leaks and electrical problems to then fix them and get things closed back up. Mudding and taping and drywalling, which, holy cow, was its own learning curve. And there's no lights in this whole house. We had to take them all out, so we were using handheld lights. There's no toilets or sinks, so we were going around the corner to my house to use the bathroom in the middle of the workday. This moment marked that we could switch out of that mode and start putting things back. Start rebuilding it again into a cozy house. It was literally a construction work zone, obviously before this point, and I'm a stay-at-home mom, so some of the parts of the day I have my kids with me, and I had to work really hard to coordinate childcare because they could not be on site with me. It was obviously not appropriate for them to be there. But from here on out, with it being a clean environment and way less of a construction zone, we could change up the dynamic of how these work days needed to happen. We were able to then put in the flooring, the lights, the interior doors, toilets, vanities, kitchen, all of it. Appreciate this moment with me, where it's still in a rough state, but we're able to move out of demo construction and into the rebuild. Such a huge moment. Go check out some of the previous videos to see how we got here, and check back soon to see how we turn it into that cozy home.